In this 10th video about the content of Pegada drum method, I want to talk about basic 16-note drum fills. We focus on formulas and very basic variations to help drum teachers and their beginner students. At this stage, your student already knows how to play some basic drum beats and single-stroke roll well enough to combine both. How many basic variations using snare, 2 mount toms, and 1 floor tom can you create? When I say basic variations, I mean 4 notes on each drum or 2 notes on each drum using single strokes only. First, have your student playing this bar at about 80 or 90 BPM. When you both are happy with that, it's time to start creating basic fills using the toms. Pegada drum method has 5 formulas under this bar to help teachers and students remember all basic variations. Of course, you can create a few more basic variations, but these are the ones I want to make sure my students can play at this stage. After teaching these fills, I usually move on to other exercises in the book, but only to have the whole exercise covered in this video. Here's the second part. Multiple basic variations can be created with those 16 notes, but I focus on the very basic ones only at this stage. The second Pegada book, called Mid-Intermediate, has instructions on how to multiply these exercises. For now, the following are the variations I like to teach. They are based on the same formulas, but without complicating too much. 2. You'll find these formulas and their basic variations at the end of the book. If your student doesn't learn them easily, you can tick the ones they have learned each lesson. In the next video, I'll show a group of exercises called Feels 1.